In the past couple of days, we have seen the price of Bitcoin going all the way down till $60,000 range, and Ethereum and Solana are also dumping, followed with every other crypto. What's the actual reality and what is the fake reality that is being pushed into the public? I'll be discussing each and everything in today's video. So this is going to be a quick, short update video on crypto. So let's get straight to it. So I'm on the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart as of now, and well, the last time I made a video was somewhat over here, and I told you all that how the price of Bitcoin reached $80,000 level and why it reached $80,000 level. And exactly after reaching $80,000 level, we have seen the price of Bitcoin dumping all the way towards the downside. Well, first of all, let me explain you that why exactly Bitcoin went till 80k. So over here, as you can see, I'm on the Bitcoin CME futures chart, and here is a gap at approximately $80,500, and recently the price went till $80,500 only, filled this gap, and now we have seen a rejection towards the downside once again. We have not seen a proper breakout of this $80,500 minor resistance level. I won't call it even any major or any important resistance level, but because there was a gap, so there was a bit of resistance, and the price of Bitcoin was not able to break above this level, and we have seen the price of Bitcoin dumping towards the downside. And for the past couple of days, it's literally only red and red incessant candles. First of all, I'll be really honest. In the next coming days, we can see a small pump towards the upside because bears are already overstimulated right now and probably they are exhausted, and also we have seen a breakdown of this important zone of resistance. Well, it has now become a resistance. This is a very crucial level for Bitcoin. Without a retest, we have seen a breakdown of this zone. Also, I hope you can see this purple level over here. Approximately, I hope this level over here from 65,300 to 68,700. This is a whole zone. This is not any sort of major support and resistance for Bitcoin. I'll be really honest. It is very minor level, but what I am expecting is that the price of Bitcoin can come minimum at this level 68,700, get a support, and then it can pump towards the upside for a retest. I mean, that's what I believe. Also, if we check the news over here, most probably the news on why the price of Bitcoin is jumping is kind of similar news, only that because of Middle East crisis and the war is not stopping, the price of Bitcoin is, I mean, dumping towards the downside. But that is not the main reality. Why? Because do watch my next crude oil video, like commodity special video, and I'll cover a part of crude oil over there, because crude oil is pumping a little bit, so they are saying that the Middle East crisis is getting to an end. Bitcoin is dumping, they are saying that Middle East whole crisis is not coming to an end, that's why it is dumping. So I mean, it's just foolish, and I mean, this is not, I mean, see, crude oil and Bitcoin right now are not related to each other or not any sort of connected to each other at all. And second, Bitcoin's price is dumping because of price action, technical analysis rather than fundamental analysis as of now. And the geopolitical whole macroeconomic events influence on Bitcoin, commodity and stocks has seen a decline in the past couple of days and weeks. So it is now more of technical analysis playing out on Bitcoin and overall crypto and commodities. However, if you look closely, we have seen plethora of bears getting activated over here, and to be quite honest, well, am I taking any trade? The answer is no. I'm waiting, because see, right now the price is in middle of nowhere, above my this minor support zone and below this important resistance zone. I'm waiting for the price of Bitcoin to break this zone towards the upside with a proper retest, or break this level $65,000 level towards the downside with a proper retest and couple of more confirmations. Then only I'll take a long or a short trade. And again, none of this is any sort of financial advice. Don't copy trade me, do your own trading, learn from your own mistakes. I'm just sharing my own analysis over here. And as Bitcoin has dumped, we have seen a dump in the price of Ethereum as well. Since I made my last video, the price of Ethereum was in middle of nowhere, and as Bitcoin started to dump, Ethereum also started to dump towards the downside. Well, there is nothing new because this time Ethereum followed Bitcoin. I'll be really honest, because there were very high chances the price of Ethereum can go all the way up till $2,500 level, but it did not. It got a reversal from the middle only, and most probably this is mainly because of technical analysis, because Bitcoin dumped, that's why Ethereum dumped as well. Also, if I zoom out, you can see we have seen the price of Ethereum rising and falling, but the volume is almost same and neglecting towards the downside. So the volume is pretty much dry in Bitcoin and Ethereum, and if there was any reason for this whole dump related to war, then there would have been plethora of volume in the market, but as you can see, the volume is drying rapidly. Also, this is a very crucial level for Ethereum, from $2,120 approx to 2,170 approx. We have seen the price of Ethereum doing a breakout of this level with a proper retest. So obviously this means this is a confirmed resistance zone for Ethereum. And well, to be quite honest, Ethereum's price can go all the way down till $1,570, because that is where its next important resistance level is. But here's the thing, going all the way down till this level, I mean, right now is not possible according to me, because there is a minor level of support as well over here. As you can see, last time also Ethereum made a support over here rather than going till $1,500 level. This time also most probably it will roam around $2,000 to $1,800 level only, and we have to get a lot of sell pressure in the market, and that's only when we can see the price of Ethereum going 1500, and if Bitcoin dumps, then only, or else it won't go 1500. So am I taking any trade, or did I enter in any trade? Well, to be quite honest, I did not enter in any trade over here. And couple of weeks ago, or I would say months ago, I entered in a short trade over here also. I covered this trade in my videos as well. So this time I took a break, and more importantly, the main reason why I did not enter is because I knew that even if I enter somewhat over here only, the price can at max go till $1,900 to $1,800 level, and there is not enough space right now, like not enough space for the price of Ethereum to dump. That's why I did not enter in any trade. And will I enter in a short trade? Most probably not, until and unless I get some strong confirmations in Bitcoin and Ethereum's larger time frame chart. But right now I'm not taking any trade in Ethereum. Alright, talking about Solana in the end. So I'm on the Solana's daily time frame chart over here, and well, as the price of Bitcoin dumped, Solana also dumped towards the downside. If you have watched my short video on Solana, like latest short video on Solana, I already told you all that this level is going to be a very crucial level for Solana, from $96.2 approximately to $97-98. Why? Because last time also we have seen the price of Solana dumping from this level, and last time, like last to last time, we have seen the price of Solana making a minor support at this level as well. So this is kind of a minor level, I mean not any sort of any crucial important level right now, but well, we all know that the price of crypto right now is facing a huge bearish pressure. That's why Bitcoin, Ethereum or Solana are dumping towards the downside, not even from any crucial level of resistance, but minor levels of resistance. We have seen the same in Bitcoin and same in Solana as well. And well, if Solana started to dump, it will obviously go all the way down till this whole purple zone at $81.78 level. Recently we have seen the price of Solana breaking towards the downside. This is a very crucial support zone for Solana, from 81.8 to 85.5 approx, and the price of Solana has seen a dump towards the downside, but again without even a proper retest. So again, entering in a short condition over here, personally I won't do it, and it's totally up to you. but there is no even a single retest right over here. And secondly, again, the price of Solana is just dumping towards the downside incessantly for the past couple of weeks, so there are pretty high chances we can see a pump towards the upside. But if I zoom out and move to weekly time frame chart and just remove all the drawings over here, then you will see that overall the price of Solana is in a downtrend, and you can try it on Bitcoin's time frame as well. On weekly time frame, you will realize that the price of Bitcoin is also in a downtrend right now. You can see over here, high, lower low, lower high, lower low, kind of a lower high over here. If I consider this as the high, then high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and well, most probably this is the new lower high. Can the price of Solana pump from here? Most probably yes, because we have seen incessant dump in the price of Solana, and for the past few weeks it is in a sideways market, so it can break out anyways, towards the downside also, upside also. Maybe it can pump towards the upside more. And why I am using the word maybe? Well, because obviously no one knows where the price of Solana will end up, but according to technical analysis, I'm expecting a pump in the price of Solana. But again, it all depends on Bitcoin. If it pumps, then every other crypto will pump. If it dumps, then every single crypto will dump again towards the downside. Also, about my trade update over here, so I hope you all remember I entered in a long position. It is still running. This is my stop loss, 75.97. So if Solana's price comes at this level, I'll close this trade. And this was my long trade which I took over here in February. Booked some profits over here and here, but still this trade is running. So let's see what happens. And if the price of Solana comes at this level, my stop loss will get hit and I'll exit in profits only. So it's kind of like a win-win situation for me. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Will we see a pump in the next coming days or a dump towards the downside? Most probably, see, the main reason behind this whole dump is technical analysis only. There is no, I mean, because of Middle East crisis, we are seeing a huge dump for the past couple of weeks. Most probably not. I mean, I would say that 1 month ago there was, I mean, a lot of influence of this whole war and all this geopolitical tension on the prices of crypto stocks, commodities, forex, everything. But now there is not any sort of main big influence right now on any of these financial sectors. But again, it all depends on technical analysis only. You already heard my stance, what I believe can happen in the past, what can happen in the next coming days. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum or Solana, you can do that on any centralized exchange or decentralized, or just buy and sell any crypto, or doing perpetual futures, any sort of trading. You can do that on centralized exchange or decentralized exchange. Both of them link are in the description below. You can create an account for free, no pressure promotion. If you don't want to use the links in the description, it's totally fine. You can just go on any search browser and just create an account for free from there also, but don't fall for any scams. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.